Welcome to Vericon Online Portal Training. This video is an introduction to viewing and setting EmeRed Test Schedules. In the dashboard, you are able to click on this tab to access test schedules. You can see here a list of test groupings in which a group of devices will be tested according to the same schedule. These test groups may be given any name which is convenient to you, and here you can see the duration of the next upcoming test, in addition to the test date and time. The right-hand column shows the scheduled date of your device's 3-hour test, known as a T180. If you use the toggle arrow, you can relist the devices in chronological order so as to check which devices have their 3-hour test coming up next. Let's view one of these test schedule groups, and you will see a building layout with the location of the devices in this test group marked in green. If applicable, you can zoom in or out in order to view the layout. Devices marked in green display the location of the testing devices which are grouped in this same test schedule. As you look around the layout, you will see devices marked in light grey or dark grey. Devices which are dark grey are included in another test group, but devices which are light grey are not yet allocated to any testing schedule. This layout currently shows the ground floor, marked as 0, but you can also view other floors by clicking the floor button you require. In order to remove a device from this testing schedule, firstly select it either on the layout or in the list in this box on the left-hand side of the page. Once selected, click the red X to remove this light from the selected testing schedule. If you want to set up the testing schedule for a device, you can either add it to an existing group or set up a new testing group. To add any device to this existing test group, select the applicable lamp icon, which will be light grey, and when you press save, this light will be added to the test group you are editing. Alternatively, to set up a new test group, you can close the building layout page here and click this button, Add Group. You will need to make a name for the new testing group and select the building. Next, click on the Calendar button and set up the scheduled date for your 3-hour test. Use the calendar to select the month and date required, and you can also edit the time. You will be able to see the layout of your building and the location of your devices. If applicable, zoom in or out as required. The devices coloured light grey are the devices without a test schedule. Click on a device to assign it to the test group you have set up. The layout view enables you to make sure that devices which are next to each other are not included in the same testing schedule. Now I have clicked on 2 devices which will be added to the test group named here with the schedule we have set up using the calendar. Press the Save button and you can see the new testing group which has been set up in the list, showing the testing schedule which we have just set up. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, please check our library of videos in the Support tab or contact us using the address on the screen, customer.success@vericonsystems.com.